विसावप्रा न्यूकार शेनवारा सकाळी मडगावच्या रवींद्र भवनात 20वो होमिओपॅथी सेमिनार जालो। ह्या वेळार मुखेल सोयरे म्हण टीसीपी मंत्री विजय सरदेसाय हाजीर आशिल्ले। होमिओपॅथी म्हळ्यार फक्त भलायकेर जावपी सायड इफेक्ट न्हय तर प्रत्येक दुयेंसांचेर सुटावो मेळपी उपचार म्हळ्यार होमिओपॅथी म्हण डॉक्टर केतन भाटेकार उलयला। आरडेक्सको ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
We need to explain to people that homeopathy is not only something which relates to side effects. I feel homeopathy is something which relates to every effect in the body and they remove the side effects, and this is homeopathy. From neurological to pediatric to geriatric to autoimmune disorders, everything can be cured through homeopathy. Sir spoke about arthritis. I would speak about every inflammatory disease. Let it be rheumatology, let it be from your calf, your gastrocnemius, your soleus, your gluteal muscles, your hamstrings, your quadriceps, your paraspinals, including your rotator cuff muscles, which leads to frozen shoulder, is treated by homeopathy. As a homeopath, when an arthritic patient comes to me as a physiotherapist, sometimes when it does not occur, I send it to my brother Dr. Kautuk Bhatikar, and then I see a miraculous result. Why? A patient from supine to prone, from prone to sitting, from sitting to standing, he is cured by taking small pore globules. And this is homeopathy, and this is what we need to tell people.
I think conventional medicine has no clue about. I have to say that successive governments have come and gone, but this issue has remained a mystery. No government, no health department has been able to solve this issue of why chronic kidney disorders only happen in the southernmost tip of Konkan in Goa. I believe that education should be a means of solving problems. When we have medical colleges, when we invest in health and education, it should be to solve local problems. Conventional methods don't give you solutions. You require alternative methods. But now I think people are understanding that these alternatives are giving solutions. And even the political class is seeming to accept this. Goa being a progressive state, I think, has to accept this. We have a minister in the Ayush who represents the people of the country as the minister of the state. So I think we in Goa also will take immediate steps to accept alternative medicines. Homeopathy is accepted.